Yeah, we just got a cargo fire indication. We'd like to declare an emergency, and I believe Tulsa may be the closest, if you have another suggestion. I'd like to start descending now.
FedEx 463, descend to maintain, south 240.
Okay, well, down to 240, FedEx 463.
FedEx 463, descend to maintain, south 180, Tulsa altimeter 2986.
Okay, 180, the altitude 2986 for Tulsa, FedEx 463 emergency.
FedEx 463, would you like a certain heading to get down into Tulsa?
We're just getting ourselves down here as fast as we can. Stand by.
FedEx 463 Heavy, when able, can give me fuel remaining and souls on board.
63 Heavy, got about an hour and a half fuel, 48,000 pounds, 3 souls on board.
FedEx 463 Heavy, roger. Expect runway 8, RNF runway 1, runway 8. If you drive flex runway 18 left, let me know.
Roger that, stand by.
100, no delay, the aircraft's about 15 miles out.
You gotta hurry up, they're waiting to base him. He's 12 miles out and there's a cargo fire. He needs to turn in lane.
21-2, FedEx 463 Heavy, thanks for your help, bud. FedEx 463 Heavy's emergency aircraft, short, final for 18 left.
FedEx 463 Heavy, Tulsa runway 18 left, clear to land 108 at 4.
Clear to land 18 left, FedEx 463 Heavy. We are going to need fire trucks for FedEx 463 Heavy. We got a lower aft cargo fire alert.
FedEx 463 Heavy, roger, we have all the trucks standing by.
And for the emergency vehicles, the persons on board the aircraft landing reported 3 persons on board. The fuel is 1 plus 30.